I'm Whiskers. The courtyard is a mess. Let's clean it. Ah, the law! Dispose the waste in the waste bin. So many weeds! Let's mow the lawn. Be sure to get rid of all weeds.
Wow, what a beautiful gift! This is for you.
The rabbit hutch is so dirty. Let's clean it up. It stinks. Let's use an exhaust fan for ventilation. Fresh air is needed to stay healthy. Throw away the dirty mat. Be sure to wipe the footprints clean. Let's choose a new pretty mat for the rabbit. The rabbit is hungry. Please feed it something delicious. Little animals are our good friends. We should take care of them.
Wow, what a beautiful gift! This is for you.
Please trim the big tree into a nice shape. Be sure to water the big tree. Wow, it blossoms!
You are awesome. Here is your reward.
I'm Ho-Ho! The living room is a mess. Let's clean it up together. It's time to change the water of the fish tank. Let's pump the dirty water out first. Fill in clean water. Oh yeah! Let's put little fish in the tank. Let's feed these little fish.
Wow, what a beautiful gift! This is for you.
The shoe cabinet is so dusty. Let's clean it up first. Oh, the shoes are all over the place. Let's put them away in the shoe cabinet. The same shoes should be put together. Please help me wipe the shoes clean. Apply shoe polish onto the leather shoes. Leather shoes need regular maintenance.
Wow, what a beautiful gift! This is for you.
Toys are all over the place. Let's put the toy car. Blocks. Lint roller can be used to remove fluff from the sofa. Wow! The sofa is so clean now!
Wow, what a beautiful gift! This is for you.
I'm Kiki, the Remember to do the dishes after meal. Clean up the table.
You are awesome. Here is your reward.
The stove is a mess. Please help me clean it up. Seasoning, seasoning, seasoning. Spatula, colander. Hand cover, hand cover. The range hood is greasy. Please take off. Dump the dirty oil. Use a brush to clean the oil box. Remember to brush the surface of the box. Ha-ha! The oil box is clean. The grease is hard. Hairdryer can be used to melt it. Clean the grease with stain remover.
Wow, what a beautiful gift! This is for you.
The tableware are so dirty. Let's wash them clean. Be sure to rinse off soap of dishes. Put the tableware in the cupboard. Plate, plate, bowl, bowl, cup, spoon, spoon, cup.
You are awesome. Here is your reward.
I'm Miumiu. There are so many flies. Let's get rid of them quickly. Spray toilet cleaner at the toilet. Be sure to clean the stains on the toilet.
You are awesome. Here is your reward.
Turn off the tap. Be sure to save water. The washstand is a mess. Let's clean it up. It's so slippery. Let's mop the water on the floor.
You are awesome. Here is your reward.
The bathtub is so dirty. Let's clean it up. Toys should be put away in the basket. The bathtub is dirty. Let's use a brush to clean it.
You are awesome. Here is your reward.
I'm Hank, the stuff. Can you sort the wastes in corresponding waste bin? Recyclable household. Vacuum the dust. Please help me repair the damaged table. Apply a layer of wax first. Let's wipe it hard, and the desk will be shinier. The desk looks brand new. It's amazing.
Wow, what a beautiful gift. This is for you.
Ah, spider web. Can you help me clean it up? The books all fell to the floor. Blue, red, yellow, yellow, blue, red, green, green.
You are awesome. Here is your reward.
Oh, the curtain fell off. What should I do? Please take off the broken hooks first. Replace with the new pretty hooks. Well done. Let's settle another curtain. Replace with the new pretty hooks. Let's start hanging the curtain. Don't forget the other one. Let's tie the curtains. Wow, the curtains are so pretty now.
Wow, what a beautiful gift. This is for you.
The mirror is so dirty. Let's wipe it clean with alcohol. How pretty the jewelries are. Let's put them away in the box.
Wow, what a beautiful gift. This is for you.
The bed is a mess. Let's tidy it up. The quilt is so big, it needs to be compressed before being put in the closet. Let's tidy the closet up. Socks, skirt, socks, pants, top, underwear, underwear.
Wow, what a beautiful gift! This is for you.
The table lamp is so dirty. Let's wipe the stains clean first. Spray the lamp with a new pretty color. The lampshade is broken. Let's replace it with a new one.
You are awesome. Here is your reward.